Are you ready to dive into the exciting world of cryptocurrency? Today, we are going to explore how to connect your Ton wallet in Doge, a crucial step for accessing the Ton ecosystem and participating in various airdrops and transactions. Let's get started. Step 1. Choose your wallet. First, you need to select a compatible Ton wallet. Popular options including @wallet integrated with Telegram and Keeper, a non-custodial wallet. Both are user-friendly and secure. So, pick one that suits for your needs. Step 2. Set up your wallet. If you choose Add Wallet, follow below steps. Visit the Ton wallet page and select Add Wallet. Launch the Telegram bot and approve the permission. Click Start to set up your wallet. If you choose Keeper, download the app from your device's app store. Follow the prompts to create a new wallet and restore an existing one. Step 3. Connect your wallet. Now that your wallet is set up, it's time to connect it. Open the Doge to application. Click on the Connect Wallet button. A prompt will appear. Confirm that the app won't move funds without your permission. Step 4. Verify the connection. After clicking connect, wait for your wallet to load. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your wallet is linked successfully. Step 5. Join the community. To maximize your experience, join the Doge 2025 community on Telegram or Discord. These will keep you updated on new tasks, events, and potential airdrops. And there you have it. Connecting your Ton wallet in Doge is straightforward and open up a world of opportunities. Within the Ton ecosystem, remember to keep your wallet secure and stay engaged with the community for the latest update. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech tutorials. Happy trading!